The past month has been a remarkable journey for Green Metro coaches. Filled with travel, teamwork, and unforgettable experiences. Scotland Tour. From the mystical Highlands to the charm of Edinburgh's streets, our Scotland tour was filled with laughter, breathtaking views, and unforgettable memories. Because with Green Metro coaches, the journey is just as magical as the destination. We began our tour from Premier Inn, Oxford City, heading to the heart of London, exploring the iconic London City Hall. Every mile was smooth, comfortable, and perfectly planned with Green Metro coaches, your trusted travel partner for city tours and beyond. Behind every perfect journey is our hard-working team, keeping every coach spotless, fresh, and ready for the road. Our staff also participated in advanced safety training, learning how to assist passengers safely and confidently at every step. Thrilling till the last second. Just like the game, Green Metro coaches always deliver with passion, precision, and perfect timing. Wherever your journey takes you, we're driving victory home. From the scenic roads of France to the heart of Paris, every mile reflected our dedication to comfort, safety, and reliability. Beyond the roads, Green Metro cars and coaches proudly participated in the World Travel Market 2025, where our CEO, Mr. Mushtaq Ahmed, engaged with global leaders, innovators, and sustainability experts, sharing our mission to revolutionize eco-friendly transport solutions. Together, we're driving the future sustainably. We also joined the Reading University Freshers' Fair, connecting with students and supporting community events, proving how we move forward together, both on the road and beyond. From every journey to every event, Green Metro Coaches continues to move with purpose, creating cleaner, safer, and more connected travel experiences. Green Metro coaches, driving the future sustainably. Plan your next journey with us.